In the vast tapestry of human history, few figures have left as profound an impact as Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. His life and experiences have shaped the course of history, with his revelations playing a pivotal role in the formation of Islamic theology. These revelations, as believed by Muslims, were not merely the fruit of philosophical contemplation, but divine messages conveyed through the angel Gabriel. The story begins in the year 610, in the solitude of the Hira cave, just outside the bustling city of Mecca. Muhammad, a man of 40, frequently sought solace in this remote location, meditating and contemplating the mysteries of life. During one of these retreats, he experienced an event that would forever change his life and the course of history. He was visited by the angel Gabriel, who conveyed to him the first words of what would later become the Quran. This profound encounter marked the beginning of a 23-year-long journey of revelations, where the prophet would receive divine messages word by word, verse by verse, chapter by chapter. These revelations, often arriving during moments of deep contemplation or significant events, were memorized and recited by Muhammad and later recorded by his followers, forming the holy book of Islam, the Quran. One particular experience with revelations stands out. As narrated by Ibn Abbas, when the angel Gabriel brought revelations, the prophet would move his lips and tongue, attempting to instantly memorize the divine words. However, this proved challenging and was visibly hard for him. Observing this, Allah revealed, "Move not thy tongue therewith to make haste, surely on us rests the collecting of it and the reciting of it," assuring the prophet that the responsibility of preserving and enabling the recitation of these revelations rested with the divine. From that point forward, when Gabriel visited, the prophet would remain silent, listening attentively. After Gabriel's departure, he would recite the revelations as promised. This practice emphasized the importance of attentive listening and careful recitation in preserving the divine revelations. In summary, the process of revelations in Islam is a deeply spiritual journey. It began with the first encounter between Prophet Muhammad and the angel Gabriel in Hira cave and continued for over 2 decades. The revelations were not just messages, but divine instructions that were carefully listened to, memorized and recited by the prophet. This process underscores the importance of attentive listening, careful recitation, and divine assistance in preserving the revelations, all of which have shaped the Quran as we know it today.